Do you want to stand out in meetings, ace interviews, or impress your colleagues? The secret lies in using the right words. Today, I'll share 10 powerful words that will instantly make you sound more professional. Let's get started. The first word is prioritize. It means to decide the order of importance for tasks and focus on the most critical ones first. For example, to meet the deadline, we need to prioritize the task that directly impacts the project's completion. You can use this word to show you understand the importance of time management. The second word is delegate. It means to assign responsibilities or tasks to others. For example, a good leader knows when to delegate tasks to ensure team efficiency. This word shows you value teamwork and trust in others' ability. The third word is articulate. It means to express your ideas or thoughts clearly and effectively. For example, she can articulate her vision for the project in a way that inspires the entire team. You can use it to highlight communication skills. The next word is align. Align means to bring people, ideas, or goals into agreement or harmony. For example, we can say, let's align our strategies to ensure everyone is working towards the same objectives. This word is great for emphasizing teamwork and shared goals. The next word is facilitate. Means to make a process or activity easier or smoother. For example, I will facilitate the discussion to ensure we stay on track and meet our agenda. This word showcases your ability to lead and support. Another word is streamline. It means to simplify or improve efficiency in a progress. For example, we need to streamline the onboarding process to reduce the time new hires spend on paperwork. We can use this when we are discussing the productivity improvements. Now the next one is mitigate. This word means to reduce the severity, risk, or impact of something. For example, we must mitigate the risk associated with launching this product in a new market. This is a great word to use in risk management discussions. Now, the next word is leverage. Means to use resources or advantages effectively to achieve a goal. For example, we can leverage our existing client base to expand into new regions. This word highlights strategic thinking. Now, the next word is collaborate. It means to work jointly with others towards a common goal. For example, we can use we need to collaborate with the marketing team to ensure a successful product launch. It is a go-to word for emphasizing teamwork. Now, today's last word is execute. It means to carry out a plan or task successfully. For example, our priority is to execute the project within the given timeline or budget. This word conveys action and results. Now it's your turn. Try using these words in different conversations or emails and see the difference they make. Comment below which word you are excited to use and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips to enhance your professional English. See you next time. Bye bye.